Hello. How you doing?
I'm good, thank you. Here?
Yeah.
Where are you from here?
Iran.
Iran.
So how long do we have? 29 minutes?
Half an hour.
Half an hour.
Take the next left onto Lockwood Circle.
It's 25 minutes. I don't know why for a sudden I lost the camera and the multimedia here.
What is that?
I don't know, I just stepped to play and then return back and it's not working.
In 200 meters, turn
So
right onto Stonehaven Avenue.
I was checking even there is no fuse there. Where it says multimedia.
Take the next right onto Stonehaven Avenue. Continue on Stonehaven Avenue for 800 meters.
حاجی $20.85 شد آخر سر. آره دیگه بچیه خیلی زیاده.